How's it going, guys? It's Blue here and welcome. Today I'm going to show you my car. This green beast right here, its name is Iriz and it's from Proton. It's nothing special, nor is it fancy. Right now, without further ado, let's take a look, shall we? Alright guys, so that's it. This is my car, the Proton Iriz. It's not limited edition, it's not fancy. Basically it's a regular economy car where you can drive to anywhere you want and whenever you want. So yeah, you know, this video for those of you whom I'm wondering, this video is to show that you don't need expensive cars, fancy cars or limited edition cars just to have fun, because if you have a passion for drive, then any car will do. However, since its launch in 2015, this car has not yet been that many on the road. Don't know why, because it's not that expensive nor fancy, to be honest. And this right here is on the top range, which means it's on the top of its price range, which where it got reverse camera, DRL, leather seats, leather steering wheels, etc., etc. So I guess in a way it's sort of like a limited edition car. So I don't know what you probably call it, but I say it's that. Anyway, most of these cars that I've seen on the road are usually have lower specs or not the same as my specs, which means they're now at the top of the price range, and there are some features that they do not have, they do not buy, they do not get. So I say Maka is a limited edition in its own way, because whenever I see some that are the same as mine with all the special accessories, no, not special, just accessories basically, like the reverse camera, the others, etc, etc, there are usually like 1 to 2 per month or per 3 months, because as I've said before, since its launch in 2015, not many has been around in the city or in the suburban areas or whatever area that have cars on it. So anyway guys, if you enjoyed the video, then leave a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and thank you for watching. See ya.